Ministers of Tamil Nadu. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. M.K. Stalin. Minister of Water Resources. Durai Murugan. Minister for Municipal Administration. K.N. Nehru.
Minister for Rural Development. I. Periyasamy. Minister of Higher Education K. Ponmudi.
Minister for Public Works. E.V. Velu.
Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare M. R. K. Panneerselvam. Minister for Revenue and Disaster Management K. K. S. S. R. Ramchandran. Minister for Industries Thangam Thenarasu. Minister for Youth Welfare and Sports Development Udyanidhi Stalin. Minister for Law S. Regupati. Minister for Housing and Urban Development S. Muthusamy. Minister for Cooperation
Periya Karappan.
Minister for Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises T. M. Ambarasan. Minister for Information and Publicity M. P. Saminathan.
Minister for Social Welfare and Women Empowerment Geetha Jeevan. Minister for Fisheries, Fishermen Welfare and Animal Husbandry Anitha R. Radhakrishnan.
Minister for Backward Classes Welfare R. S. Rajakannappan. Minister for Tourism R. Ramachandran. Minister for Food and Civil Supplies R. Sakkarapani.
Minister for Electricity, Prohibition and Excise V. Senthil Balaji.
Minister for Handlooms and Textiles R. Gandhi. Minister for Health and Family Welfare Ma. Subramanian.
Minister for Commercial Taxes and Registration P. Murthy.
Minister for Transport S. S. Shivashankar.
Minister for Hindu Religious and Charitable Endowments P. K. Shekhar Babu.
Minister for Finance and Human Resources Management Palanivel Tyagarajan.
Minister for Milk and Dairy Development S. M. Nasser.
Minister for Minorities Welfare and Non-Resident Tamils Welfare Jinji K. S. Mastan. Minister for School Education Ambil Mahesh Poyamoli.
Minister for Environment Climate Change Siva V. Meyyanathan.
Minister for Labour Welfare and Skill Development C. V. Ganesan.
Minister for Information Technology and Digital Services T. Manothangaraj.
Minister for Forest Madhivendan.
Minister for Ati Dravada Welfare Kailveli Selvaraj.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, பெல் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you. Bye bye.